Hello friends, welcome to my channel and today we're going to do the science part 2 Kepler-22b. Wait, I'm not seeing it. 45. Wait, wrong. No, bro, I don't have to open the YouTube. Let's start it again. Fastly. This was the explanation. I told you to read this, right? Who hasn't read this? We're going to read this. Kepler-22b's radius is roughly twice that of Earth. Its mass and surface composition are unknown. However, an Earth-like composition for the planet is believed to be unlikely. It is more likely to be an ocean planet or have a wallet-rich composition with a liquid or gaseous outer shell. The only parameters of the planet's orbit that are currently available on its orbital period, about 290 days, and its inclination from approximately 90 degrees. Evidence suggests that the planet has a moderate surface temperature, assuming that the surface is not subject to extreme greenhouse heating. In the absence of an atmosphere, its equivalent. No way. Its equilibrium. Its equilibrium temperature, assuming an Earth-like albedo, would approximately 279 K, 6 degrees Celsius, 43 Fahrenheit, slightly higher than that of Earth's 255 K, minus 18 degrees Celsius, minus 1 Fahrenheit. We're going to do till here. The planet's first transit was observed on May 2009. Confirmation of the existence of Kepler-22b was announced on December 5, 2012. These are its characteristics. If we do it, it will take time to do the other things. So we're going to leave it here. Next, we're going to do the sun orbiting. We're going to do sun illusion.
The sun illusion, specifically the seven suns phenomenon, is an optical illusion caused by light refraction through layered glass, creating virtual images of the sun. This is not a celestial event or an astronomical phenomenon, but rather a result of how light interacts with the window panes. The effect is similar to sundogs, which are also caused by light refraction through ice crystals in the atmosphere. Here's a more detailed explanation.
Details.
1. Refraction. Light bends as it passes through different mediums, like glass or ice crystals. 2. Sundogs. When sunlight interacts with ice crystals in the atmosphere, it can be refracted, creating bright spots on either side of the sun, known as sundogs or parhelions. 3. Multiple suns. In the case of the 7 suns illusion, the layered glass of the window acted like multiple refracting surfaces, creating multiple virtual images of the sun. And 4. Not a cosmic event. This phenomenon is not related to any unusual solar activity or other celestial events.
So it is known as the seven suns phenomenon, and it's only seen in China. The seven suns, and there's one more very ring. So this is one of the sun illusions. This is the mysterious. People also ask. The answer is the refraction. It leads to an effect known as sundog or perihelion. What will do? Perihelion.
Perihelion. Perihelion.
Perihelion. It was in perihelion on January 4th. Closest point to the sun. This occurs annually, roughly 2 weeks after the December solstice. We have already studied it. In 2025, Earth will reach perihelion on January 4th. It will not be super hot. It will be cold because of the month. Because of where we are living. Southern hemisphere, it's more hot. Sundog. First refraction. Listen to this.
Refraction is the bending of light, or other waves, as it passes from one medium to another, according to multiple sources. This bending happens because light travels at different speeds in different materials, causing a change in direction at the boundary between them, says the National Institutes of Health. Here's a more detailed explanation. 1. Change in speed. When light moves from one medium to another, like from air to water or glass, its speed changes. 2. Bending. This change in speed causes the light wave to bend or change direction. 3. Normal line. The bending is often described relative to a normal line, which is perpendicular to the surface where the light enters the new medium. 4. Rarer to denser. If light travels from a rarer, less dense, medium to a denser, more dense, medium, it bends towards the normal. 5. Denser to rarer. If light travels from a denser to a rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. And 6. Examples. Refraction is the reason why a straw in a glass of water looks bent, why lenses in glasses and telescopes work, and why we see rainbows. This video explains the phenomenon of light refraction and demonstrates it with different materials. Refractive index. 1.
Wait. Let's go to refraction again. Okay. What is refraction? We have done.